Smartphone displays have traditionally been crafted from glass, a material known for its durability but inherent inflexibility. But the game changer arrives with flexible display technology, primarily utilizing OLED screens. OLED, or organic light emitting diode, employs organic materials that emit light with an electrical current which passes through them. Unlike conventional displays, OLED doesn't rely on backlights, allowing for incredible thin screens. This thinness is the foundation for creating flexible screens that we see today. These displays are composed of various layers, including the substrate, TFT layer, OLED layer, and cover layer, all working together to create a seamless and durable folding experience. The pixels on an OLED display are fused into the screen and then they can generate their own light. This eliminates the need for having a dedicated light source, which makes OLED displays much thinner from LCDs. A foldable screen is built on a plastic base, unlike on a glass base on an LCD display. Tech giants like Apple and Samsung embraced this technology early on, initially implementing it to introduce devices with curved edges. Yet, the evolution didn't stop there. What started as curved edges has now transformed into something extraordinary, screens that can actually fold. The technology that once merely curved screens has matured, enabling smartphones with displays that can seamlessly fold, offering users an entirely new level of functionality and portability. Innovation in flexible display technology has redefined the boundaries of smartphone design, paving the way for a new era of devices that bend and fold, adapting to the way we live and work. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have learned something new today. So, from now, signing off. See you in the next video. See ya!